Hey y'all, my name is Whitney and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you stopped by. Here on Perfected Imperfection, I share my thoughts with you on things like makeup, fashion, and lifestyle topics. I also do reviews and tutorials, so if that sounds fun to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon and turn on all your notifications. I would super appreciate it. Today, we are going to be talking about the winter FabFitFun Box. So, let's get started. In my last video, Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice, which if you have not seen yet, you need to go check that out. That is where this look came from today. It was an interesting journey to say the least. But anyways, in that video, I said I was already over winter, and I stand by that for sure. But one good thing about winter is my winter FabFitFun Box. I am super excited to unbox this with you all and see all the goodies that I have received. First, let me tell you a little bit about FabFitFun. They are a seasonal subscription box that you can get for $49.99 per season. Or you can do what I did and get the annual subscription for $179.99. This unlocks a lot more customizations when it comes to your items, which won me over. FabFitFun members also have access to add-ons, edit sales, and exclusive offers. Okay, now let's open this box. Alright, every FabFitFun box comes with a magazine. Looks like Katie Couric is on the front of the cover, so excitement. And inside the magazine, it gives you like lots of great information, stories, blah blah blah. Now, the main thing that I want to look at is it tells you all of the prices and the items and everything in your box. So that way you can see if you actually got a good value. Okay. I already see things and I'm excited. Also in your FabFitFun boxes, you get like a bunch of coupons and stuff. We got HelloFresh, HBO Max, like bunches of random things. I'll look at all that later because I'm too excited about what's in here. Okay, first thing, this was one of the items that I got to pick out. It is the Summer and Rose Cozy Robe, and I can't wait to touch it. This retails for $70. I would never ever pay $70 for a robe. But it comes in my FabFitFun, so I don't care. Wow, y'all. This, I just want to go and take a nap in this and just live my best life. It is so friggin' soft, like, oh my god. And it has a hood, which I think is super cute. I've never had like a robe that had a hood on it, so that seems cozy. It does have pockets too, and that's also super convenient. So I love this. Hopefully my cat doesn't try to steal it and use it as a blanket. We won't let her. All right, next I have the Paradox Lucky Stars Blemish Patches. I do not have perfect skin. What a shocker. So I am glad that these were in my box. These are $18, so not a terrible price for blemish patches. That's pretty on par for the course, but yeah, I can't wait to try these out. Then we have our Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, and they normally are $25. This was also one of the items that I got to choose in my box. I love eye gels. I love putting these in my skincare fridge and using them, so I'm super happy to have them. Next, we have our Noir Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies. Now this was not one of the items that I chose. These scrunchies are normally $25. Why? Again, I would never pay $25 for scrunchies, but you live your best life and you do you. You do get 3 scrunchies. I don't do anything with my hair. This is what she looks like, and that's it. But if you like scrunchies, I don't know, let me know. Are Noir scrunchies like crazy wonderful? Like, they don't feel soft or anything like that, so to me they just look like normal scrunchies. But I don't know, let me know what you all think. Next in here we have our Kate Spade New York workout socks. There are 2 pairs in here, and these are normally $24. I love Kate Spade. I love handbags from Kate Spade. They're just so cute. I do have a yoga mat, and since also on my channel, per my intro, we do talk about lifestyle topics, and one thing that I'm going to be getting into this year is yoga. So these do have the little like rubberized bottoms for grip, so I think that's really nice. Normally these are $24. I think I said that, but if I didn't, now you know again. But they're black, super cute, will go with a lot of things, so I really like these. Next is the Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher, which is normally $27.50. For one blush, that seems like a lot. Let's look at the color. Okay, so I like the packaging. It's very minimalistic, so that's cute. Alright, it looks like it is, it kind of has like a sheen to it, not a matte blush, kind of like a shimmer blush. I do like that color though. It's like a coral, not like too pinky, so I don't know, that's nice. And it has a mirror in there, so cool. I wouldn't pay $27.50 for it, but that's just me. I be cheap, so. Alright, then we have the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. I have received this before in a box, and this is $58. I'm pretty sure I got it in a BoxyCharm box before, and I really enjoyed this product. So this is a physical exfoliator, and it just like removes all the dead skin cells from your face, and it leaves y'all smooth and wonderful feeling. So I'm also glad that I have this, because I personally would not purchase it, but I did really like the product, so I'm glad that I have it again. And before we get to the last one, they put little snacks in your box, which is just precious. So I have a Kind bar. It's the dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. So super cute. I'll definitely eat that. The last product is my most favorite, and I picked this one out too. That's why you need to become an annual member, because you get to pick out all these things. But it is the Impressions Vanity Company LED Vanity Mirror that retails for $45. I'm so excited. My current vanity mirror, you know, she's cute, but she's not LED, like wireless, you know what I mean? So I can't wait to play with this. Let me see if I can open it. so y'all can see. Oh, we gotta put her together. I'm just gonna show you the head of her. All right. Well, bam! It's so big and beautiful. A really, really great size. So yeah, I really, really like that. All right. That was a lot. If you are doing math in your head as I've been going on, the total value of this box is $292.50. Normally this box would have cost you $49.99, like I said in the beginning of the video. So that makes your total savings $242.51. That is crazy. Alright you all, that was all of the things in my box, and I'm going to tell you my thoughts. So, I loved it. There were some items, like those scrunchies, girl. I do, no thank you. I don't need scrunchies, but that's just me. That's a personal choice. If you like scrunchies, great. It probably would have added value to the box, but this box was worth it based on two things for me. The robe, yes. I'm gonna live the rest of this week in that robe when I'm not working. Probably the rest of my life. So thank you, FabFitFun. And then the vanity mirror, I'm super stoked about that. Love that. And I mean, there were some other great things too, like the Kate Spade socks. I like the eye gels, the Dr. Brandt, and you know, the blemish patches, those are okay. Blusher, that's okay. But overall, I mean, with a savings of $242.51, like, this was definitely worth it. And again, if you can afford it, then the annual membership, since I got to choose some of those items, I mean, that also made it worth it because I got to pick things that I wanted, which just added more value to the box for me. But yeah. If you liked my box or are interested in FabFitFun, I will leave my link down below and you can receive $10 off your first box. Let me know what you all thought about my box in the comments down below. Well, that wraps up today's video. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today on my channel. If you liked this video, you can let me know by hitting that like button down below. And if you want to continue hanging out with me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on all your notifications so you will know as soon as my next video drops. But most importantly, always remember, imperfection is beauty, madness is genius, and it's better to be absolutely ridiculous than absolutely boring. Bye y'all!